Winston-Salem is a great place to live and work.
It's a really tight-knit community. It's gone through a lot of really exciting change.
I love Winston-Salem. It's in the middle of everything.
This is a great place to live and raise families, great school systems.
We have beautiful roads around here. You're a few hours from the mountains, a few hours from the coast, and just wonderful people in the area.
There's no place like to try it.
For the community to get a global brand like Herbalife and to put 350 to 400 people back to work, it was an absolute slam dunk for the community.
The opening of this Herbalife facility has been a great impact on the community.
We've been hit hard by loss of factory jobs. With Herbalife coming in, not only were they bringing a lot of jobs for their manufacturing employees, the management, their production employees always make us feel like we're at home here.
Having the Herbalife facility right here in our own backyard, it's just been a huge bright spot in the community. Every time you turn on the news or read an article in the paper, you're seeing all these great positive things about having a new opportunity.
Winston-Salem it's kind of a dichotomy. We call ourselves the city of the arts and innovation. And so having a company with the quality of Herbalife coming in and taking this facility, adding additional investment to it and creating a very high-tech manufacturing facility gives us a lot to be proud of here as a community. And then the jobs. It will be a good long-term investment for our folks who live in this area to have a great place to work.
Here at Herbalife, our teammates are like family. So we come in, we help each other, and we greeting everybody each day.
And this is one of the largest manufacturing buildings in the Triad.
The benefit of working in this industry is you do get a chance to help people and hopefully change their lives. We have a great workforce here.
So it's more of a family environment, because we're around each other so much.
Well, I think Herbalife's company philosophies of fitness and wellness fits in so well with what I'm trying to do as mayor of the city. I have a childhood obesity prevention program.
One of the things that Herbalife has done a great job of is getting involved in the local sports community, helping to sponsor events, particularly youth events, and I think that bodes well for the future of the community.
The YWCA of Winston-Salem has served this community for 107 years. I grew up here. It's always been home to me. We had a very quick understanding that we had a similar passion about youth and nutrition, and we've been really amazed at the partnership and how fast it's really gotten off the ground.
I've been involved in youth soccer since 2001. I love Winston-Salem. It's a great community. Our club was able to link up with Herbalife, and we were able to develop a relationship. Herbalife has a great connection with soccer. Obviously, being on the front of the LA Galaxy jerseys, we think that there's a true link between Herbalife and our soccer program, but also between Herbalife and our local community.
We know through our own personal experience with Herbalife that they're a great partner. They're a great support system. They're always looking for ways that they can give back.
Well, I think the future is very bright for both Herbalife and for Winston-Salem working together in partnership.
Having Herbalife come in and occupy this business park has been a tremendous boost to our economy here.
My hopes for the future for Herbalife is that we continue to grow and improve.
We're glad to see a company such as Herbalife with the emphasis on nutrition and health being part of our makeup.